snoring away as we have a fire, guys, and we get ready to cook. Well, before we do, let's have a little chat. Alright, we just gotta talk pumpkins here for a minute. Antioxidants. Alpha carotene. Beta carotene. Beta cryptoxanthin. These neutralize free radicals, okay, guys? By helping us to protect ourselves from damaging our cells from the free radicals. So this is going to keep our skin looking younger, lowering our risk of cancer and eye damage. So this is all great. Oh, guys, the fire crackling away over here. Guys, I wish you were here having this fire. Back on track, though. Back on track. Back to pumpkins. So they're full of nutrients that boost our immune systems. Vitamin A with lutein and zeaxanthin. This strengthens our immune system and helps us to fight infections. High in vitamin C, which we know, this is going to increase our white blood cell production and make wounds heal faster. As well as vitamin E, folate, and iron, baby. This really makes me want to celebrate. Celebrate with Mother Earth. Celebrate the beautiful gifts that she has to offer us, guys. There's so much gratitude. There's so much to be thankful for. Well, let's get cooking. Hey, guys. Now, in the spirit of Halloween, we're going to make a high vibe soup. Okay? This soup is full of antioxidant properties, as well as it's going to target the organs, the liver especially, okay? We have these beautiful pumpkins here. Pumpkins are full of antioxidant properties, as well as it's also festive for the time that we are in. Look at how beautiful these are. This is an acorn pumpkin. And guys, I don't know what kind of pumpkin this is, but it looked good. Now we have over here, we have some leeks that my lovely, beautiful sous chef, my mom, chopped already. Well, washed first, guys. Washed and chopped. And we have some garlic in here, okay? And this is from the market. Directly from the market. Okay? Farm to table. And here we have some mung beans. Now, oh, don't lose your mung beans all over the floor. These mung beans need to be rinsed, and you can soak them, okay, guys? But if you eat mung beans for 2 weeks, this will heal your liver up to 44%, okay? That's massive. That's big. And I want you to see the beautiful green color that they are. And, you know, if you get sprouted mung beans, it's even more full of antioxidant properties. Okay, guys, let's get these washed up and ready to go. Guys, we don't want to forget to give our pumpkins a rinse, because we're going to keep the skin on for more antioxidant properties within this soup, okay? Mother Nature's gifts. I also want to say, too, please make sure you give your mung beans a really good rinse as well. Quite often, they can still have quite a lot of sediment on them. Now, usually we'd use a cutting board, guys, but we're in the midst of still renovating the kitchen here, so we can't find the cutting board. So we're getting crafty. And we want to chop these up so that they can go into the soup, okay? And plus, we want the seeds. Okay, now they're all hollowed out. And look at this. This one reminds me of an avocado, guys, but a little bit more golden, right? And look at this one, the coloring of this one. It's spectacular. You can just tell we're working with our chakras today, guys. I wish you guys could smell it already. The smell of these pumpkins. Woo. And here, we've got the seeds over here, and we're going to rinse them. And we're also going to eat these seeds. Seed energy, baby. Now we're going to start sauteing the leeks with the garlic. And I have this beautiful product, okay, guys? And this is an incredible product, and it tastes like butter. Put some of this in. So we're going to put it in here. We're going to melt it. And then we're going to add our leeks and our garlic. Now guys, if you have this really, really hot, this will actually, it will look like a potion and make a steam, but I don't want to do that because I want to keep the antioxidant properties. So low and slow we're going today. Alrighty. We're ready to add the pumpkin. Do you hear it sizzling away in here, guys? You hear our brew? Okay, now we're going to add some mushroom broth. Now I'm going to save some of it because I want to add our spices, our spice blend. And this is just going to elevate it that much further. Now we're adding everything to taste. I like a lot of turmeric, okay guys, and nutmeg and cinnamon. But these we're just going to add anti-inflammation, healing properties as well, okay? We know turmeric is also great for the liver and inflammation. A little extra. Bubble, bubble, toil, and trouble. We got the good cinnamon, okay guys? I don't cheap out on my spices. I don't believe in that. But hey, we're always doing the best that we can, and we're going to honor that. Shape-shifting too, okay? And these spices last a really long time. I just love the flavor of ground nutmeg in the dish. It just makes it that much more earthy and hearty and like the sixth dimension. Some chipotle powder for some kick. And some black pepper for a little added spice. Guys, once again, I wish you could smell this black pepper. There's nothing like it. I really enjoy this Bragg's sprinkle. Let's sprinkle some on. Guys, I really feel like I'm making a brew, like I'm making a potion. A healing potion at that. Now you can add some of this Celtic sea salt as well. It's vital mineral blend. We hardly have any left. As you can see, my mom really loves this one. But I also have my favorite Albertan spice that I like to add as well that's got salt in it. And that's this one, the quintessential seasoning. Sea salt, herbs, spices, dehydrated onions, and mushrooms. Sumac. As you can see, I really like this one. It's all gone. Now, okay guys, now we're going to add in the rest of the mushroom broth so that we can get all these spices incorporated without making a big mess all over the top of the stove here, the stove top. Now, if you do want to sweeten it up a little bit, you can add a little coconut sugar or stevia. Make sure it's all natural. But I think I'm going to use some stevia today, okay? And as you can see, I've stirred it up. We're going to put the lid on now and let it simmer on low heat. We'll come and check out it again and give it a stir. Now, I'm always sure to make sure I recycle my recyclables, and any leftover organics from the vegetables I put in the compost. Guys, I almost forgot. That's because I got so excited about the pumpkins. We have to add the mung beans that have been... I sorted through them, made sure that they, were all good, and they've been rinsed and drained. And you can see this is heart chakra activation with all the rest of the chakras we're working with. For sure, the sacral. Alright, so I've incorporated the mung beans, and I just want to say they don't take as long to cook as other beans, but we do want to make sure if you have dried beans... And I like to use dried beans because it keeps it holistic. It's easier to not, have any BPAs or any other toxic things within, this holistic cooking we're doing. That we don't have to cook these as long, okay, guys? But we do want to cook them long enough so they're not toxic to our digestive tract. Our digestive tract. Keep it on track. Okay, so we're going to cover this up and let this simmer for a little while, and we'll come and check on it. All right, it's been simmering for some time now. Let's check it out. Ooh, that's hot, actually. Ah! Okay, Let's try that again. I didn't think it was going to be so hot. Oh, wow. Look at it. Let's give it a stir. All right, guys, it's ready. I'm going to dish some up and have a sample as I just came inside from being outside meditating with the sky. I'm so excited to try this. And I mean, look at the colors. It smells incredible. That's all people have kept talking about this whole entire time. All everyone keeps talking about is how great that this smells. Guys, smell-o-vision. The pumpkin is nice and sweet, but it's savory. It tastes like warmth, love, and healing in a cup. It's spectacular, guys. Come and have some. Now I want you to see I've topped mine with some fresh avocado, as well as they make some great vegan yogurts out there. You know, don't be getting anything flavored. Make sure you get just plain. I don't think it'll taste right. And another great idea, you could toast your pumpkin seeds and then put them on top. And I wish I would have done that. But you know what, guys? I'm hungry. I want to get into this. And guys, you can get creative with how you want to dress this up. You can make it more spooky if you want. You know, little pearl onions would make great eyeballs. There's so many different things that you could do with this. It's so versatile. What matters is it's healing.